Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to deposit USDT in Coinbase Wallet. Alright guys, to be able to deposit your USDT on the Coinbase Wallet, click on the receive icon, and once you click on the receive icon, you're met with the list of networks from the Doge network to the Litecoin to Solana, and we have Base, we have Ethereum, we have Avalanche, BNB, and Polygon. So depending on the network you wish to receive your tokens in, all you need to do is simply either scan your QR code by clicking on this QR code option and copying your wallet address, or copying your wallet address directly. So let's say you've got some USDT on your Trust wallet or your MetaMask or anywhere you hold your USDT outside of the Coinbase wallet. Simply minimize and open up said wallet. Let's go with today's video. We're going to be working with the Trust wallet. So open up your Trust wallet. Once your Trust wallet has opened up, simply locate the token you wish to send. So in this, we're going to be making use of the Smart Chain USDT. So click on the Smart Chain USDT, enter the amount of USDT you wish to send. In this case, I'm going to be sending a small amount. So simply click on send, enter the address from your Coinbase wallet. So minimize and open up your Coinbase wallet, copy your Ethereum address, open up the Trust wallet, paste the address here, enter the amount of USDT you wish to send, and simply click on next. By doing this, you get to send your USDT, and once your USDT is out, then find your transfer receipt here, as well as the network fee and the wallet address you sent to. Now, if you head back to your wallet and simply perform a reload, you'd find the BNB bridged USDT, which is here. Here we go, the USDT. It's arrived on our wallet. So guys, that's how you can simply deposit USDT in Coinbase Wallet. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.